Hi, it's Liberty from Before and Afters. We've been at Century Farms for almost a year. It's been 11 months today, November 22nd, 2022. So I can hardly wait to show you all that we've accomplished in the last month. Starting with our dining room. I got to decorate a little bit for Christmas. You can see behind me and above me, not the fan, the ceiling. We're hoping to finish installing these panels in the dining room today. Let me switch it around. And there's the rest of the panels all cut and ready to go up. There's the Christmas tree. And I have a bunch more Christmas tree decorations. I got this curtain rod up and this curtain. So I want to give you a whole walkthrough through the house today. So you're going to see the current mess because it's just impossible to clean up the whole house and continue working on these projects. So we finally finished the piano room and it is decorated for Christmas. So I gave my first piano lesson last week. There's 2 wreaths on the door, one inside and one outside. And really loving how this turned out. So during lessons, I keep this door closed and the stairway with a curtain. I can also shut this door if the parents want me to, and if the parents would rather it stay open, it can stay open while they stay in there. So that's really convenient. I'm really glad how that worked out. I don't have to clean the rest of the house, although they may want to see the rest of the house for the first time or whatever, so I do give tours. So now I'll take you up the stairs and you can see the bathroom up there, which is the guest bathroom for my students. I'll turn this light on. And we'll skip the craft room for now. And here is the bathroom decorated with snowmen. I got the clock on the wall. I just used a command hook to put my air freshener here, so it's real convenient. This louvered door is going to go in our bedroom, so I got it spray painted on a really nice day by using my Wagner paint sprayer. So it's really fun to have this ready. And the craft room is a wreck. However, some friends came and helped move this cabinet in, and that really helped me move a lot of things from other places in the house. It does still just need to be organized, and I want to put curtains up really soon. I still have room on that wall. I'm just not sure I want to try to attach shelves up there, but I probably will one day. And I got my desk usable, so I can sit at a chair now with my laptop or write a letter, a note, a thank you card. So that's been really helpful and convenient. Okay, on to my daughter's room. She has decorated for Christmas, but it's a mess. And the cat is in here. So she has a few Christmas decorations. And a thing that got done in here was these mirror closet doors on one side. They're bifold. And so now she has a mirror that doesn't take up extra space in her room. We found them secondhand and had them installed, so that's been really convenient. Alright, on to the rest of the second floor. So the bathroom's straight ahead, and to the left is our walk-through closet. And our room. When you're working on remodeling, you don't have a lot of time to straighten up and make things pretty. Although I'd love to do that, I would never get this video made if I stopped, as you can probably tell. So this doorway that I'm walking through is where the louvered door will go, and hopefully that'll be done by the next video. The schoolroom, which is kind of a catch-all room that I hope to organize. It's also a craft overflow. To the right is the laundry room, which is working really well. The stairway we don't use much, and the door to the attic. I really love all the sunlight coming through, and it helps warm up the house. Luke's room, we go down 2 steps. When our friends came over to help us, actually I think before that, we got this dresser moved up from the exercise room. And then here's the exercise room, and also the cat room where the cat's water and litter is. So this is all able to be used now. The elliptical, the treadmill, and even the total gym. More cat stuff. A pull-out bed that somebody helped us move in from the garage. It's like an oversized chair, so it's a twin-size bed. We realized the wind is coming through this door, so that's a new thing on our to-do list, to put weather stripping. You can see the daylight right there. Moving on to the mudroom. The bathroom, nothing new in there. We did get these bookcases moved from the garage to the mudroom, so that has helped with some of our shoe organization. I've spent a lot of time shuffling things from one place to another. Like there was craft things in here that I was able to move up to the craft room finally. Still need to get a curtain on that window. And we're back to the living room. So the piano room is straight ahead. And I'm starting to cut the panels for the living room. It's one panel, but it faces 4 different ways to make a pattern of 4. So I'm having to piece it together. And these are not painted. I'm not finished with them at all, but I do have the templates cut in those funny shapes by the windows. So I'm working my way around so that I put them facing the right direction. And of course, when I get that all done, I'll tell you all about that. Who knows? Maybe next month. So this room was looking a lot better, but it's just the way things are because I need to get the ladder moved around. So we got curtain rods and curtains up on these windows finally, and the couch is moved over to this side, but when I need the ladder over here, the couch moves over. Here's the kitchen, current condition of the kitchen. I got some dried flowers, dried hydrangeas from somebody, and I really like them, so they're up there for safekeeping. And we live here, and we're working on it. So, just really glad I have a functional kitchen, and I can make food and eat it. I've got my Christmas cookie cutters up in tins up there. So a large part of what I've been doing, like I said, is moving things around. So we brought the Christmas things down from the attic, and now I've been reshuffling closets and the porch shed so that in future years I won't have to bring the Christmas things all the way down from the attic. I thought I'd go ahead and let you see how the attic's doing up here. There were a lot of Christmas tubs and things, but now there's a few Valentine's and maybe Thanksgiving tubs, but it feels pretty good up here. The sun has really warmed it up, and it's not too hot like it is in the summer. So here's the attic. I would love to clean it up a little bit and get the rest of this insulation out and the staples and stuff and make it a cozy place. But I'm still trying to make the other floors cozy, as you can tell. So there's the attic. An amazing thing that happened this month was when I went in for my thyroid biopsy, they didn't need to give it to me because they could not find the nodules. So the kittens are growing. They have caught some mice. But what I was saying I was doing is shuffling things around in this porch shed so that instead of the Christmas things going up to the attic, now they're going to go either in this porch shed or in a different closet on the first floor. So I've spent a good deal of time reorganizing all those things. So now I'll show you our progress outside. This is a door over the steps to nowhere that I don't think is attached yet, but it's in progress, so that's good. I got the second coat of paint on the Bilco doors, and we got a kennel from some friends for the dog. She was getting out of her fence. There's nothing we could do to make her stay in. So now when we leave for the day or something, it's really nice to be able to put her in this kennel. And the tree has been all cleaned up as much as we're gonna attempt to do. There's like 2 more logs that just need cut up, and I think all the chainsaws are broken. So a lot of the big logs got put around the campfire, and I'll take you in the garage. You can see the progress of the living room panels. Here I have coated the backs with a clear coat, and my next step is to flip them over and start painting the fronts. And my husband will be super glad when I'm done with this project so that he can have his garage back and use the saw in it and everything. Now, if he needs to saw something, he's got to drag it outside. And while today is a lovely day, not all of our days have been lovely lately because it has gotten cold. So I'm going to take you around to the front here. Hopefully, our 1-year anniversary will be December 22nd, and you'll get to see all our Christmas decorations inside and outside. For now, you can kind of see the tree through the window, and you can see I've got a wreath on the door. So I hope you have enjoyed this update as much as I have enjoyed giving it.